Hi viewers, welcome to our upcoming channel. So in this channel, yeah, we posting the videos which are required for learning the C programming skills, and also in future we post the videos which are required to learn other popular programming languages. So through that, you can improve your programming skills, and also you can learn uh, which are required for your placement purpose. Okay. So in my previous videos, already I discussed about the programming syntax in C and also the integer data types and its characteristics with good examples. So if you want to learn those things, please refer that those videos also if you are beginner to our C programming. Okay, right? So in this video, I would like to discuss about the float data type and also its characteristics. Okay, so the float data type, it is what decimal which can help us to process uh, decimal points values. Okay, decimal points values. For an example, like 20.5, okay, or 24.67, okay, 23, like a 0.789, something like that. Okay, so it can accept whole numbers with decimal points. That's the meaning here. So that's the difference you can find with integer number. So the float data type, it can accept both float, whole and also decimal point values. And so, and what about the format specifier we have? Okay, the format specifier for input and also output operation for float data type is percentage %f. So, as we discussed for integer, we have to use percentage %f both in input operation and also output operation. So, in input operation, what I'm doing is, so as I told you for integer, the same way, scan of percentage, okay, percentage f for reading integer value. So ampersand, okay, you can give variable name. Okay, variable name and like that. For output operation, okay, in output operation what you have to do is you can add the message, okay, like, okay, float value, okay, float value is equal to percentage f, then ampersand, sorry, we have to give only the variable name which is declared in float data. Yeah. So to declare float variables, okay. So declare float variables is very easy in C. So you have to use the keyword like float. Float. So float before the variables, okay, before the variable names. So inside you can assign, you can create float variables in our C program, and you can process with uh, decimal points values, because if you make some scientific computations and other complex computations, definitely you can have the decimal points values to be used. For example, like pi value 22.7. Okay, so pi value, okay, so it is what 22 bar 7. Okay, so it is what actually division based. So how we can use this one? So if you take this what actually 22 bar 7, it is what 3 point. Okay, so that means, okay, so 3.13 like that it comes. Okay, so this how it could be taken into your C program, in the sense you can use a float variable and there you can assign the value, then you can process in your computations. Okay, so you know that suppose if you are in need of computing like area of a circle, so area of a circle, it is what pi r squared, you know that area of a circle. Okay, so area of a circle, how it can compute that? In the sense, the formula is what pi r square. Okay, pi. Okay, pi r. So pi in r is the base. Okay, base square. So, so here the pi value is required. So instead of what using, because Instead of getting 22 bucks, you can feed the value like 5 okay, and multiply with the value. Using the float value. So if you're using integer value control unit, what is the whole number? So whenever we use computations, prefer float data type. Okay, right. So I the example. Okay, how we can create a float variable, and also how we can access it in our code. Okay, so now as I told you in the first slide, sorry, first video, that's about the programming syntax. So very first we have to import standard input output fetch, then int main. Okay. So main afterwards within that only you have to declare the variables. If you want to know the role of the main function, so please my first video that I have both structure of the C program and also the role of hash symbol, include, and also hero files and main functions. Okay, right. Now I come to the float variable. Okay, so float x. Okay, then float r, like that I'm declaring float r. What I'm doing, I have to display a message as we required to give a message. Okay, so we have to give a instruction to the user. So print of enter the float value. Okay, enter the float value. So simply close it. Afterwards, use the scanner statement to read it. Okay, please understand for reading standard function in C is what scanf. Okay, so scanf percentage F. Okay, afterwards ampersand then variable name R. Okay, now what I'm doing is I have to going for displaying the result of the given input in the float variable. So printf also is what a standard output function. Okay, so float value. Okay, it is given value like that you can consider. Okay, yeah. Afterwards you have to provide the variable name, then semicolon. Save the program in your, please save your program in the extension .c and also save it in your drive. If you want to refer, you can open it and so you can refer the programs and also understand the concept of the codes. Okay, so float it. Right. So go to the menu option and click on execute. Go to component, use the shortcut F11. Okay. So you can see that the execution is running and it will ask you. So in the this is output screen, this is a control screen. Control screen will be open and that will feed your input. Okay. To 2.4, 2.4, 5, 6, 7. So now you can see that it is what it is. It is what adding what few decimal points because that is a range is following that. Suppose if you want to limit it in the sense you have to change it in your output function. For example, you see I can give like 0.f. So when I give 0.2f, it takes only 2 decimal points that should be displayed on the output screen. Now you see. So now it is as okay. So 23, then 5, 6, 7 like that I'm giving. Now you see that you see in my input I have given 3 decimal points, 0.7, but due to this you can start. Okay. So but in output function what I have made is 0.2f. That is what I'm restricting the number of decimal points to be taken for displaying the results because some kind of big range of decimal is being displayed. But understanding what readable one. For the case, what I'm doing is I'm limiting from the 3 decimal points. I converting into a 2 decimal point that can be displayed as an output. For the case, only I am 0.2. Okay, now so if we in the sense what happens, what happens is it may have to integer as like before happening 0 0 something like that. No, so that will be that. So with this kind of precision is the I mean since the limit the number of decimal points values to be processed are displayed in your code. Okay, so please use your printf function display the results which is what you read format. And one more thing, If you want to check the size of this float data type, that time we cannot do what you have to check the float data. So as we for integer, the same way you have to do it for float data type. So float size, number size, okay, is equal to percentage d. Okay, then here you can see that command. So what I'm doing is size of float variable. So you can give float variable or you can give the float with that data type also. Okay, no need to give the data or variable. Simply you can give the data type also. That may give you the size of the float data type. Okay, now you can see that. Okay, so it will ask, okay, the inputs to be given. Okay, so now I have increased the number of what decimal points. Now you can see that the float value, which is what displayed with the two decimal points, along with the float size is what 4 bytes. Okay, so very general, it is what very common, very standard for float data type size is what 4 bytes. Okay, so within that only it takes the whole numbers. Now it is processing what the decimal points values. Okay, suppose if you want to do any, as I told you, like circular area, if you want to compute, okay, so you can use it in your code. Okay, for example, you see circular area. Okay, then you can give pi value also. So pi is equal to what 3.13 like that I'm giving. Okay, uh, what I'm doing is uh, yes, area of circular. Okay, radius into radius into pi value. Okay, so now it is not required, so you can remove this. Okay, so okay, and this is about what displaying the size of data type. That is not required now. So enter the instead of enter the value, you can take like radius value. Okay, and please whenever you modify your program, you have to execute it. Okay, so it is what radius variable. So radius that we have to meet in input functions also. Now you can find it. Okay, now you can give an input. Okay, I'm giving a circular radius is what 5. So now you can see that its area is what 78.25. Okay, so you can find that the variable that takes the radius is process to display the circular area what is computed by the computer. Okay, so as like that, you can see the role of float data type in many computations. So as per your application requirements, you can use the float values and also you can perform operations to get the desired results. Okay, so that's all about the float data type. So in this video, I have discussed about the float data type and also how it can be declared, how float variables can be declared, how the dynamic value can be taken, and I have discussed about the memory size of the float variable. So beyond, I have given a simple example about how the computer can be computed in our. Okay, so thanks for watching this. I request you all please subscribe in this channel. Also click on the bell button to get the notifications for the new videos. Thank you. All the best.